I want to thank my mother.
I'd like to thank my mother.
Thank my mom.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Mama.
Mamá, esto es para ti.
My mother. I love you.
I love you, Mom.
So I'd like to thank my mom.
Especially my mom. My mom.
My mom.
My mom.
My mother.
My mother. Mi madre. My mother.
Who's the most brave, beautiful woman I've ever known.
The greatest woman on the planet is here tonight. That's my mother.
My mother. And Matt's mother, the most beautiful women here.
My mother, Blythe Tanner. Thanks to my mom for always encouraging us to...
So, Mom, this one's for you.
Mom, I just want an Oscar.
Meanwhile,
Gusto lang po akong i-clarify doon sa mga interviews at mga sagot ng nanay ko po sa mga interviews niya po. Unang-una po yung 70K na incentives po na sinasabi niya from